Step 1. Access the listing editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace. From the left sidebar menu, click Listings. Either create a new event or select an existing one to modify. Step 2. Make the event private. First, click on Edit Listing and find the public-private switch and change it to private. Your event is now set to be an exclusive experience for invitees only. Step 3. Hide the event from public calendar. To keep the event hidden from your public calendar, go to Settings, Website Calendars, and click Edit on your calendar. Scroll down and look for Show Private Event on your calendar. Make sure that it is toggled off and save changes. You successfully created a private event for your art studio.